Good morning, student. Today, once again, we will do the second chapters. Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word. Today, I will show you today this column method and orientation, page orientation. These two things I will show you. My dear, my dear students, you have seen the few paragraph, one page. There is two columns are there, three columns are there. How to make of that one? That one I will show to you. Okay. So before that, open the worksheet. I will go to the MS Word. Okay. Now I have opened up these things. Now I will type here. Now you are thinking how to make the column method. Few magazine, yeah, newspaper, I think you have noticed in two or three columns the story, yeah, paragraph it has written. Now the question, how did they make? Today I will show you. Now see, I have written one paragraph. Clear? Suppose this is the paragraph I have written regarding the science. Now I will make the column method of these two things. This is the paragraph. Suppose I am writing here. You can see I have written here one paragraph. Suppose more, this full page I have written. Okay, full page I have written the paragraph. Now I will show you. Now you can that divisions of two part. Only one part is this side and the right side on another part. But you can see here is only one column. Here it has started in continuously it is working. Okay, but I don't want of this one. I want only two part. Two part it will come. Okay. Now how will do? First of all, my dear, you will select the full things. Whatever you have written, you will select. Okay. Select full things. Then you will go to the page layout tab. Last day we have done the insert tab. Now today we are doing the page layout tab. Remember the page layout tab. Now whenever you will go to the page layout tab, the first is page setup group. Today I will do this one. Page setup groups are present margin, orientation, size, column. You can see the column is there. Okay. I will show you the margin, orientation, size afterwards, but first of all you see the column. I click the column. Now you can see the 1, 2, 3, left, right, more column. If you want to make that, it will come. Plenty of columns are there. So these are the called the column. 1 means whatever you have written here. This is the 1. 2 means it will part 2 part. 3 means this paragraph it will come the 3 part. Okay, left means left side some will come, the right side is more will come. Same thing right. Right means the paragraph right side it will come the small and the left side it will come the big. Okay. Just I am showing to you two part. Now you will select the paragraph. After that you will select the two options. Just follow up this side. The two method has then two part. Okay, I think you have noticed in your newspaper, yeah, paragraph, yeah, our magazine, other size magazine, you will see a two part has made. Okay. Now here also we can do the justify method. Justify method means previous class I have told whenever we will see the left side equal but right side is not equal, we will make to the right side also equal. Okay, this side also. Some students are thinking, sir, it became double. my dear, I have copy paste I make, and these things you will read like that. This column up to we all live in the age of science. Science had made our life means here to this side. You will not go the right side. Okay. Now I'm selecting to the justify. Select. If I select, then you can understand only this part I have done, the left part, right part I not made. Okay. Now justify how I will make. Once again I will go to the home, then last paragraph go justify. Now you can see this is the justify and these are not justified. This is not alignment. Okay. So if you want to make the, okay, and suppose I am erasing of this thing, then you can easily understand. Now justify have make, okay, right part also justify happen. Now you can see these two parts. Okay. If you want to give more gap you want to give, so you can give also. How? You will go to the view options, you can see the ruler option and tick mark. You will, if it is not tick mark, you will give the tick mark, then ruler one scale it will come on the top of the bar. Okay, document, here you can see the ruler. Just you click on here and press the left mouse button, hold it and press the left side, it will go more. Same as it is, if you want to move the right side, you just go and touch on the scale, means margins, one arrow will appear, then press the left mouse button and drag it. See, more gap it became here. If you want to make the small, same thing you will do, you will go touch it here, then right side. Okay, if you want to the left side, this is, if you don't want only this one side, you can do it. This is the functions of the column, page setup column and the rulers. Okay. Now I will show you the orientation. What is this orientation? My dear students, sometime you have seen the page printed the horizontally and another type of vertically. Okay, these two type print we can do it. These things called the page orientation. Now the question is coming, so where is the orientation located? So same, my dear student, same place you will go, page layout tab and page setup group. In the top of the bar you can see the orientation. Now it, whenever you will touch the orientation, you can see the one option has come, change page orientations. Means you can change two types, your portrait or landscape layout. With layout it will change. Okay, layout means portrait, horizontally, vertically types it will come. Okay. Now, if you cannot understand what is the portrait, what is called the, which is called the landscape, in your book page number 19 you will get, you can see the which type is portrait and which type the landscape. Now I will also show you, but your book the page number 19 it's located. Okay. Now orientation whenever you keep, then you can see the portrait means all the long side it will print. Okay, and the landscapes means the this side, means one horizontally, another vertically it will print it. Now which one you to print out? If you want to, this is normally by default it always it come the portrait mode. Okay, but if you want to print the landscape, means the print paper will print will the horizontally, so landscape you have to select. Okay, now I am clicking that portrait method. Now you see this portrait method has come. Now you can ask me, sir, how can we understand if the portrait method came? So we will go to the print preview method. Okay, print preview method, you can see this thing option. Before the print, you can see the print preview. There it will display the print preview. Okay. Now once again, if you will do the portrait method, once again you will go to the orientation. Now portrait, you will see the page, it will come the long method. Okay, so these are the called the orientation. So my dear students, today I have shown you column and orientation. I hope you understood of this class, today's class. Next day I will show you the page margin, page size, how to change the margin, how to change the size. Then I will show you the hyperlink and mail merge. Then our chapter will complete. So I hope you understood today's class. Okay, bye.